Welcome back. In this short video, we're going to learn some basic vocabulary related to cooking. Hi, I'm Ajit from Capshine. Capshine is a revolutionary learn it together English fluency program. With Capshine, learning English is easy, quick, fun, affordable, and effective. And we promise a brand new you in 6 months or less. So, what are some of the words that you can use when you cook or to describe things while you're cooking? The first thing, of course, is when you chop things, right? The word chop. Cut something into pieces. That is what chop means. Chop the carrots into tiny cubes, or chop the vegetables into large pieces. All of these are valid uses of the word chop. Another word that can be used is to knead. Notice the pronunciation, knead. So this means to sort of massage or mix the flour with water with your hand. We usually knead the dough before making rotis or chapatis, right? Knead. And this is a very important process in many food items that we cook in India. Let's start by kneading the dough for the roti, right? Another action that we do, or another thing that we do, is to peel. Peel the vegetables, peel the onion, whatever it might be. Peel. Remove the outer covering of something from a fruit or vegetable. Eat the orange after peeling the skin off, right? So to peel something off. Before we move on to the next few words, a quick word about Capshine. With Capshine, you get access to live classes, speaking opportunities, you get to learn and practice as a group, you get access to a personal coach, customized feedback, and daily micro lessons. All these together can help you become a more proficient and confident user of the language. I'll talk to you more about how you can access this at the end of the video. Let's continue. To whisk. When you whisk something, for example, you whisk the egg, you essentially mix or move around something with a light, rapid move. Add 3 eggs to the bowl and whisk them well, right? So you can whisk for, let's say you're whisking milk, you're making lassi, you could essentially whisk the curd or the milk to create lassi. Similarly to whisk is to move around or mix things around lightly with a rapid movement. Another one is to grate. Have you seen a grater, right? Where you can grate the cheese, or you can even grate certain vegetables. To grate is to make food into tiny strips by rubbing against something called a grater. So something that looks like this is a grater. You might have seen your mother's grating coconut, right? That is to grate. Begin grating the beetroot now, right? One of the instructions you might see in a cookbook. Sprinkle. When you sprinkle, you put a small amount of something, you spread it out in the preparation. To scatter small drops of liquid or small pieces of something. You may sprinkle a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, or certain other condiments to add flavor to your dish. Sprinkle some salt over the salad according to your taste. Sprinkle some water or lemon juice on it. Again, could be used to describe particles or liquid as well. Slice is another thing that you might do when you cook. You might slice a lemon, you can slice a piece of cake, cut something into thin sheets or pieces. Sliced cucumber is refreshing summer snack. Similarly, you can also squeeze something, usually a fruit, a vegetable, something that is liquidy, that would generate liquid. You squeeze it to make it or to obtain liquid from it. Firmly press some vegetable or fruit, usually to obtain its juice. Squeeze 5 lemons into a bowl. So you get lemon juice out of that. Essentially, I hope you found this useful. Make sure you use these cooking related vocabulary in your life when appropriate. If you like the video, make sure you like, hit subscribe, and hit the bell notification to not miss videos like these. If you want to check out the free trial, make sure you go to capshine.com or download the Capshine app from the Play Store. Thanks for watching.